What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package is coming from Nike via the sneakers app. I actually had early access to this, but it was actually a shoe that I really didn't, since I'm not really a fan of the model, I didn't really go for it, but I had a follower that wanted it. So again, helping out another follower on Instagram with this pickup. So let's crack this open right here. Okay, right there. See, it's a Jordan box with the Nike receipt right there. You got the black box with the gold Jumpman right there. So these are the Air Jordan 14 Retro. Colorway is black, varsity red, black. Suggested retail is $190, size 10. So these are the Last Shot 14s right here. You got the 2-3 paper. Right here they are. I'm actually surprised by the this leather is soft. I mean, it's actually getting these in hand. Actually might switch my thinking on this shoe, because the leather, I mean, it is soft. And then you have, I guess, like a nubuck suede up top. There's like a slight color change to it. Then you got the Jumpman logo right there. You got Jordan branding on the tongue. And you got 14 back of it. You got the 2-3 with the Jumpman. Yes, looks like the tire thread on it. Then you got the red there, red hits, Jumpman logo. Again, it's modeled after the Ferrari, this shoe. And then the tips are metal tips. I guess this got hooked on the thing. Put this back there. That's just it. A pretty quick look at the shoe. Again, this is not my pair, so just a quick look at the shoe. But yeah. But if you're thinking about getting this shoe, this leather is soft. I mean, one of the softest leathers I've felt on a Jordan in a while. So, for YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description for YouTube. Peace out.